Let us start few sample programs using for loop. The first sample program using for loop is write a C++ program to find sum of all even number between a user defined range of 1 up to n. Use proper string messages to make your program readable. Let us write this program in editor. Include input output stream using namespace std, int main function, body of main function, its local variable declaration. I is used for loop control variable, n is a user defined number. To sum of these number we are using variable sum. Sum is initialized with 0. 0 is additive identity. Please enter value of n. Read value in n from user. Iterate for loop from 1 up to n. Its body of for loop. We want to sum up all even number. A number is even if it's divisible by 2. So if I remainder 2 is 0, main current number is even number, then sum up that even number. The loop will add all even number from 1 up to n, where n is a user defined number. Now display sum of these even numbers to user. From 1 up to n. System pass then return 0. Save your program. Now compile it and execute it. It is generating an error because we have not equate it with 0. Now recompile it. Please enter value of n. Suppose we enter a value 100. Then its sum of all even number 255 0. Now let us try another program. Write a for statement to add all the multiple of 3 between 1 up to 100. Use proper string messages to make your program readable. Let us write it in editor. It is list of all those numbers that are multiple of 3. Next sample program is write a C++ program to find sum of all even and odd numbers between a user defined range of 1 up to n. Use proper string messages to make your program readable. Let us start writing this program. Include IOStream using namespace std, int main, local variable declaration, int I is a loop control variable. We need 2 more variables to store sum of even number. We are using variable s, and to store sum of odd number using variable odd s. Initialize both these numbers with a value 0. 0 is additive identity. Int n. Ask user to enter value of n. enter value of n, read value and store it in n. Now iterate these numbers from 1 up to n by using for loop, that is for I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, that is a user defined number, then I plus plus. For each number we have two options, that is either number is even or odd. So the best suitable structure is if else structure. If number is even, it's equal to 0, then sum up in even numbers, that is even s is equal to even s mean even sum. If number is not even mean that number is odd number, then sum in odd numbers, that is odd s is odd s plus that number. The loop will iterate from 1 up to n by splitting numbers into even and odd. Even s contains sum of all even numbers in this range, and odd s contains sum of all odd number in this range, that is 1 up to n. Now display these two summations, that is cout sum of all even numbers is all even number in a range, that is given range 1 up to n, even s, and similarly sum of all odd numbers from given range is odd s system pass and return 0. Save your program. Now compile it and run it. Either press this one, compile and run, or press a key F11. Its execution is you have to enter value of n. For example, we enter a value 50. Then it shows sum of all even number from 1 up to 50 is 650, and sum of all odd number from 1 up to 50 is 625. Our next sample exercise program using for loop is write a C++ program to count number of digits in a given number or in a user defined number. Use proper string messages to make your program readable. Let us start. Write the program in editor. Include IO stream, input output stream, then main function, body of main function, local variable declaration, int I, loop control variable, then n is a user defined number, then a counter variable count initialize with 0. 0 is additive identity. Read number from user. Please enter value of, correct spelling, value of n. Read the value of n. Now use loop to iterate number until a given condition is true, that is count will start from 0 and condition will be applied on n. N is not equal to 0. Count plus plus. The body of for loop to extract digits from given number we have to divide that number by 10 in order to count number of digits in given number. The loop will iterate until number becomes 0. Mean we have counted all digits in given number. Now display number of digits. That is controlled by using count. Save it, compile and execute the program by using F11 key. It is generating error. Remove this equal to, recompile it. So please enter value of n. Let us insert a value that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of digits in this value is 5. You can count it and validate it. The next sample program is write a C++ program to enter a number and print its reverse. Use proper string messages to make your program readable. Let us write it in editor. Include, no need of extension .h. Then body of main function, local variable declaration, and rev initialized with 0, num remained for remainder. I is a loop control variable. Rev is used to display the reversal of a number. Num is a given number. To store remainder we are using variable remained. Now read value of number from user. Ask user to enter value of number. Now read this number from user. Now iterate this loop until number becomes 0. Remember that suitable loop for this program is while loop or do while loop, but we can also solve the program by using for loop as well, because it is directly depending on condition. That's why suitable solution for this program is by using conditional loop, that is while loop and do while loop. Now to separate remainder from given number, we have to use a remainder operator. Then reversal of this number can be controlled by multiplying the number with 10 and adding a value of remainder here. Num should be reduced because we have extracted one digit from num right now. So exclude its digit by simply and num divided by 10. Now display the reverse of this number. The reverse of user's number is save it, compile it and run it. So it is generating an error. We have to use here ENDL, not END. Now recompile it. Please enter value of number. Suppose we enter number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The reversal of this number is displayed here. The next sample program is write a program to enter a number and find its palindrome or not. Use proper string messages to make your program readable. We know that a number is palindrome if given number and its reversal are same. Let us write it in an editor. So include iostream, then using namespace std, then main function and its body, local variable declaration, the variables are same as in previous program. Enter value of user defined number, read it in a variable num. Now for comparison purpose, copy the number in any other variable. Use a statement of for loop with loop control variable I initialized with 0 and a condition that is num is not equal to 0. Increment in loop control variable. Extract remainder from given number by using remainder operator. Remember that percentage is a remainder operator. The names of variables must be consistent. It's remain, it must be same. After extracting one digit from given number, remainder given number is obtained by using this equation, that is num is equal to num slash 10. The loop will iterate and generate reversal of given number. Now compare given number, that is gnum, with a reversal of this number. If both are equal, then display a suitable message, that is the given number is palindrome, else not palindrome. System pass return 0 because we are using int main. Save your program. Now compile it and run it. Please enter a number. Suppose we enter a number 3, 4, 5. We know that the number is not a palindrome and a result is same. Let us run it once again. Please enter a number. Suppose we enter number 3 times 5. Its reversal is same, so the given number is a palindrome. So let us end this small session, sample session, with a quote. That's it from my side.